Congratulations to the National Youth Orchestra of Wales, which this year celebrates its 75th anniversary. Founded in 1946, it is the world's oldest national youth orchestra and a crucial part of the rich musical life of Wales. Thousands of young musicians have passed through the orchestra over the years, with alumni now working as professional musicians with some of the world's best orchestras. Famous alumni include the composers Sir Carl Jenkins and Hilary Tan. Many others have gone into different walks of life as doctors, lawyers, teachers, business leaders and indeed politicians. Whatever their background, the orchestra's alumni go on to help shape a Wales we are proud to live in. While COVID-19 has disrupted so much live music making, the National Youth Orchestra has carried on supporting young musicians via digital masterclasses, workshops and most importantly during this time with well-being sessions. It has recently recorded a digital concert of 10 new commissions by Welsh composers, which is now available to watch online. As the National Youth Orchestra reintroduces activity in person, it will continue to inspire young musicians of the future. It will play a crucial role as we create a national music service in Wales, sharing this government's ambition for music for all young people, wherever they live in Wales and whatever their background. Congratulations once again to everyone at the National Youth Orchestra of Wales. We wish you continued success and look forward to seeing what the next 75 years will bring.